Stopping your pain is what drives the Physician Partners of America. And Dr. Chad Gorman joins me today to discuss how their clinics can help anyone in the Tampa Bay area. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Doctor?
Absolutely. Great to be here.
So let's first kind of explain what we're talking about as far as the Physician Partners of America. I feel like that's a term I've heard or have maybe seen on air before. What does it mean? How are you helping patients?
So what Physician Partners of America is a multi-specialty clinic that focuses mostly on interventional pain management as well as orthopedics, spine surgery. We offer all the different specialties to treat chronic pain, and we cover multiple areas, multiple counties in Florida, including Hillsborough, Pinellas, Pasco, kind of covering the whole Tampa Bay area and maximizing the ability to help our patients. So,
if someone at home is sitting thinking, maybe I'm on the line about calling, what kind of patients do you serve, or who do you want to talk to out there to really grab their attention? They would be an ideal candidate for work that you do.
Great question. So some of the most common diagnoses used or seen in American healthcare are low back pain, neck pain, migraine, degenerative joint disease, knee arthritis, hip arthritis, things like that. And we offer services to treat all those conditions, from simple things like conservative medication to in-office trigger points, all the way to surgical intervention like laser spine surgery, minimally invasive spine surgery, and then of course non-surgical interventions for chronic spine and joint issues. So we offer about everything, and we cover a huge area. So we're very excited to be part of this I'm excited to be part of this growing company and helping people. It's great.
Yeah, I'm curious. Down here in Florida, as I'm sure you know, we've got a lot of snowbirds, or maybe people are watching. They're like, yeah, sure, I'm here in the winter months, but I'm going to go back home again. My insurance probably isn't accepted. What do you want to tell that kind of audience out there today?
Great question. So, this time of year, it's getting cold up north. A lot of the snowbirds are coming down from Michigan, Ohio, New York. And a lot of them have chronic pain conditions that they're being treated up there for. And it's important that they have that continuity of care, and we have the appropriate algorithms and options available to make that transition easy. Doing that, we can offer all of the services that they had up there, if not more. So we're very happy to see our snowbird patients, and while they're avoiding the cold, they're still bringing their arthritic backs and their arthritic joints, and we're very happy to help them.
So, here to help.
Yeah.
Well, one of the other things that I think people think about sometimes, health insurance, especially at the end of the year here.
Sure. So it's important to understand our corporation, Physician Partners of America, we see just about every type of insurance. So we see Medicare, we see all of the Medicare Advantage plans, most commercial insurances, including Blue Cross, Aetna, United. We see most HMOs, and we also have workman's compensation appointments that we make, and then we have a very large personal injury division. So whatever you got, we can pretty much cover. So it's very good. And
there are a few days here left in 2018 when people are trying to, hit their deductible or haven't. Any kind of advice as well for people to keep in mind?
Yeah, so, one of the issues with high deductible plans is that around October, November, December, you finally hit that $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 deductible, and now you need to get the procedures done that can be very expensive. And so while most clinics are kind of ramping down for the holidays, Physician Partners of America is ramping up. So we're adding surgery center days. I was at our surgery center on Saturday, this past Saturday, helping out some of the patients, and we've added new patient slots for our clinic. So our clinics are pretty busy right now, and it's good. We're trying to help out to cover this last week and a half before the end of the year to help those patients who have met their deductible and are now ready to have those procedures done. So, it's a great option to add to our patients. So.
And I really you can just hear it in your voice how you really are focused on helping patients. And as a matter of fact, you mentioned the multiple locations. If you want more information and see how Physician Partners of America can help you, there's the phone number, there's the website. And again, locations are throughout Florida. Doctor, thank you so much for your time today.
Absolutely. Glad to be here.
Nice to have you.
Thank you.